Hi, Luca here from Centric. Knowing the value of your home is the first step in any property journey. Whether you're looking at relocating, refinancing, or making home improvements, knowing the value of your property is the very first step that you'll take. If you are looking at relocating, most agents are going to want to know exactly how much your current property is worth. If you need to sell that property, they'll need to know how much equity is in there so that we can accurately work out your budget and show you properties within that price range. It's also essential for tax reasons and your insurance purposes. So, how do you add value to your home? There are several ways that you can do this, and it's always worth consulting a property professional before you do it. However, some of the most popular methods are loft conversions, which can add up to 15% onto your property's value. It's a great way to extend your house. If you don't have the space in the garden, you can always extend upwards. Another way is by a simple refurbishment, looking at the kitchens and the bathrooms and the interior decor of the apartment or house. When considering whether it's worth extending your home or not, it's always best to consult local property agents. Weigh up the cost that it's going to take and also the value that it's going to add on a future resale. If that figure isn't quite worthwhile, you may look at other options such as including a driveway on your property, which can add up to 10% on that value, or making some improvements to the garden to make the property appear more desirable. So, those are our favourite ways to add value to your home. If you'd like to hear more about some home improvements that we've seen in properties, please feel free to get in touch.